Today, we review the best 5 steak knives that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
J.A. Henckels International 8-piece steak knife set. The J.A. Henckels International 8-piece steak knife set is made from corrosion-resistant and durable stainless steel. These knives are full-tang and constructed as one piece. These serrated edge knives are also suitable for cleaning in the dishwasher and come with a lifetime warranty.
Number 2.
Amazon Basics Premium 8-piece steak knife set. The micro-serrated edge Amazon Basics Premium 8-piece steak knife set is made from stain-resistant steel. These are full-tang knives with triple riveted handles, and they also have a full bolster.
Number 3.
DALSTRONG steak knives set. Made from imported high-carbon German steel, the DALSTRONG 4-piece steak knife set is an award-winning design with engineered serrations and expert heat treatment. These knives have a 56+ Rockwell hardness and have been hand-polished to a satin finish. They are full-tang and end-bolstered knives with a triple-riveted luxury black packawood handle.
Number 4.
J.A. Henckels International 39323 100 steak knife set. The J.A. Henckels International 4.5 steak knife set contains corrosion-resistant stainless steel blades with micro-serrated edges. This 4-piece set also has full-tang blades with triple riveted handles, which, unfortunately, some owners have found to be on the small side.
Number 5.
Chicago Cutlery 4-piece walnut steak knife set. Containing traditional styled solid walnut handles which are triple riveted to the full-tang blades. The Chicago Cutlery 4-piece walnut steak knife set features exclusive taper grind edge technology to give edge retention, optimum sharpness, and easier sharpening. These straight edge blades are high carbon steel and measure just over 4 long.